feeling kinda hot when your hair is not Ronsay TV. If you wanna be on fleek with your hair isn't it, go to Ronsay TV. Ronsay TV, lifestyle, clothing, hair and more. Ronsay TV, June and everyone more.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you go and say? So today I am going to make a quick tutorial. This is a really quick video today because I have this box brace on my head and I wanted to do I want to recreate this look. I want to transform it from this old braids to something different. I've had them for like 4 weeks now, and for me 4 weeks is really long. Staying with box braids for more than that is a long time. So I think today I am just going to make sure that I transform this for like a week, and then I'm going to get rid of all these box braids you see here. Before I start with this tutorial, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button, and of course hit the notification bell so you always know when I upload a new video. Okay, so like I said, every Sunday, if you're not subscribed, just come back and watch my new videos. So back to this video. This is my whole box braid look. Like I said, I'm gonna need a scissor and my crochet hook. I'm gonna be needing this crochet hook. I'm gonna be using beads. Okay guys, I'm gonna be using all those beads, and so let's just go. This is few minutes, like this really what I'm about to do, this whole new thing that I want to do with this hair, it's very easy to do. You don't even need too more time for it. It's about minutes and you're done. So let me just tell you guys, first I'm just gonna pat the hair this way because this is how I want it later on. Okay, and we are now going to start with this crochet hook. What I'll do is I'm gonna take one bead. So you have one bead, you have this hair, gonna lay the strand right on top like so, and I'm gonna use the crochet hook and just hook it right through, you see. So what I'll do right now, just leave it right up here on top, and then I'm gonna take the next one. I'm gonna do this all of my box braids, just gonna do it right in the front because I want them to be seen on the top, but I don't want them too much, you know. So right here, I'm gonna do the next one. Let's see. So on the top, like so, crochet hook, you know. Trying this for the first time though with the crochet hook. I'm trying this for the first time, but it's working. You see, it's working. So, and then we go back with the next. Yes. So, it's working. It's working. Where's the next one? Like so. And it's working. So I'm just gonna go all over. All the ones on the top are gonna be with beads, all of them. I want beads all over, but just watch me do this because I'm doing this. I'm just going with the top of First, I'm going to use a scissor and cut the hair to the length that I want, like so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it all to this length. So once I'm done cutting on the side, I'm going to do the same on this side. I have to make sure that I cut it equally. So we're now done, and I am going to show you how to fix the beads here, how to get them just stay secured right there. Okay, first I'm gonna take the strand and make sure that I make a knot out of the strand, as you guys can see, like so. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take the bead and put it down. As you can see, it stays there, doesn't go anywhere. So this is how easy and simple, you know, this thing goes. You can actually add more beads if you want, but I don't want my beads into it. I just want it just like this. I just hope that you all enjoyed this look. This was super quick and fast and easy to create because like I said, just a few minutes, and now I can just rock this for the next 1 week. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more fun hairstyles. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and I'll see you next week on my next one.